Welcome to Cappadocia in Turkey. It's a place located around 300 kilometers southeast of Ankara, the capital city of Turkey. Cappadocia is a remarkable intersection of history and natural beauty. An arid desert, each landscape, as far as the eye can see, is a masterpiece waiting to be explored. The region formed 60 million years ago due to the erosion of the soft layers formed by the lava and ashes sprayed by the volcanic mountains of Erciyes, Asendag, and Guludag, and shaped by rain, wind, and ice for millions of years. As the landscape was eroded, basalt stones remained and formed conical structures, with some reaching as high as 45 meters were created over time by erosion of the relatively soft volcanic ash around them. These structures are called as fairy chimneys. Human settlement at the Cappadocia region dates back to the Paleolithic era. The lands where the Hittites once lived have been one of the most important centers of Christianity in the later periods. Houses and churches carved into the caves and rocks turned the region into a huge heaven for Christians escaping from the dominance of the Roman Empire. The region today has great importance in terms of tourism. The region offers hot air balloon rides as one of its most sought-after tourist activities. Hot air balloon bookings set new record in Turkey's Cappadocia with around 600,000 hot air balloon rides in the year 2024.